Hey guys, good morning. How you all doing? My hair is so scattered. Yes, maybe I'm going to plait it all back to look like human being. Like I don't know what I'm looking like. Low battery. I don't know what I'm looking like right now, but it doesn't matter. This is money. So guys, we'll be going out to buy goats, live goats. Yes, so this live goat will be given to the villagers, or is it the kindred, because it's a tradition that demands a man that got married had to present a goat and yam. So he's meant to present 4 yam and a goat, 1 goat. So we'll be going out to buy the goat today. So I want to take you guys along with me. Yeah. And also guys, I'm so excited. You guys really turn up for me on my wedding video. That wedding video, I saw the views. The views are mad. I saw it, I was like, wow, this is the first video I have made and has gotten 1,000 views or more than 1,000 views, and I'm so glad. I really appreciate you guys really turn up for me, and I love that. So this particular video, make sure you subscribe and also watch it to the end. You are going to enjoy it. And also, we're not only going out to buy goats, we'll be going out with friends too, to have some fun and merry. Yes, so that's it, and that is what is going to be showed on this video. So guys, come along with me. Let's go out together. I love you guys.
That's about looking here.
Oh God, he's open. Oh my God. Jesus.
Wednesday, all the people told me that most of my help was down with
Look how you go.
I'm not here to do my
Bye-bye. Say hi. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. My baby, say hi.
Hi, now we there here.
Okay.
Inside guys. This is the Bruce kitchen.
This is what we are sipping. We are just sipping drinks. It's not drinking, it's sipping. So my husband wants me to drink beer. So I'm drinking beer.
It's really necessary.
I'm drinking beer now. No wahala.
You're sipping and drinking. The south side, you don't video that side. This one is the Abra. Okay, I get video now.
No work. On Sunday afternoon.
My baby. Latest couple in town.
Somebody's buying bolo. Somebody's buying bolo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
All right, guys. Everyone is busy. This is our youngest one. Chizoba, say hi.
Hi.
So we are doing breadfruit. It is called okwa in our language. So this is my sister Chinemema. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is my mom. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Everyone is busy. And this is my brother. He's picking the ones from the ground. The ones that is on the ground, they are big, as in he's picking it. So yeah. So this is what I'm doing. I'm still doing it, but it just remains small. But I still have things I'm supposed to do. So yeah, guys, it's not easy. Okay. Hi guys. So this is me doing my own breadfruit okwa. So come closer. Show them what I'm doing. So this is what I'm doing. Yeah. So we'll be removing this particular. Come closer. Just show this. So we'll be removing this particular thing. Yeah. Then other ones, like after removing this one here can easily go out. Maybe when washing it or when cooking it to just go out. So this is how we are doing it. It's not quite easy. Show me. It's not quite easy, but we got to do it, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe, guys.
Don't forget to
I love
subscribe,
you.
share and like.
All
And
right.
also comment.
Comment, guys. Comment. I'm begging you. Comment.
Comment oh, and subscribe and also share.
Share others.
The okra is so sweet. Delicious. Yeah, it's delicious.